land of Aryabhat.
To the land of Alia Bhatt.
Villa wale bhat.
From Mahatma Gandhi.
Bapu.
Rahul Gandhi.
From the land of Swami Vivekananda.
Swami Asaram Bapu.
The only question I have, do we deserve it?
I guess we do.
We know that making India literate is a big task in itself. Like 90% of the youth is literate and that's an achievement. It is.
But literacy और education का मतलब ये नहीं है कि तुमको knowledge है.
It just means you know how to read and write. But that's not what people think.
भाई तेरे को पता है?
भाई तो हमको मत सिखा, हमको सब पता है, तो जाके अपने बापू को बता.
अरे सारा बाबू को क्या बताओ? JNU में किससे है? किसकी साइड? अंडा पहले आया है मुर्गी.
मुर्गा पाहिजे का मुर्गी?
Yeah.
It's like aimlessly we're throwing darts with a blindfold and thinking it'll hit bullseye.
लगा क्या? लगा.
You'll never do that because direction, that's what's important. The only direction these days that we see or hear at this point of time when results are out is this. And we need a change here. But the problem in India is the only change we know is change, give me some change. But then that's not the real problem. The real problem exists and we are constantly running away from the applicable changes. Sadly, student suicide has become a side effect of being a student. So my genius mind came up with solution because we ban things that we don't like.
हमने कामा सूत्रा शुरू किया और हमने ही सेक्स एजुकेशन बैन कर दिया.
Our nation, thank you.
Ban girls from having higher education. Thanks to the society.
इधर उधर की बातें वगैरह वगैरह. We banned guys from having education that are related to the stream of arts and fine arts and performance arts. Thanks to our homes and again those 4 people. 4 लोग. इधर उधर की बातें वगैरह वगैरह. Higher education, arts education, sex education. Education is the common denominator.
अगर इतना ही प्रॉब्लम है एजुकेशन से,
So ban education यार. Life is simple.
ना रहेगा बासर ना बजेगी बांसुरी समझे के छोरा.
no student suicide.
But we live in a society that is so supportive ना. इधर उधर की बातें वगैरह वगैरह. Like 3 days से कुछ नहीं सीखे.
काबिल बनो, कामयाबी झक मार के पीछे आएगी.
Because educated or not will make a difference only initially. अच्छा नहीं लगा ना, पछता नहीं अपने को सच्चे. So maybe I have a small scale effective solution for this. And this might increase some level of employment and they are practical and logical solutions by the way. So maybe we won't do it. Change bro. So step 6. Most of the times there are scheduled inspections in schools and colleges. Go for unscheduled inspections. Go for more number of inspectors hired only for this. We won't do it. Who understand kid psychology, child psychology and the pressure of studies that schools are giving to them. Maybe we won't do it. Step 5. Change the curriculum from Gadha Mazuri theorem to practical application studies. Theoretical literacy is important, but practical is more important. Like if I am holding a bat wrong, coach will not be telling me from 2 kilometers away कि भाई तूने गलत पकड़ा है. वो आके सिखा के जाएगा. And that's how you teach. We won't do it. Step 4. Higher education has higher value for money in private colleges. Reduce the maximum allowed tuition fees for private colleges and see if the students suicide for the reason of value of money.
पापा ने एजुकेशन पे लोन लिया, वही लोन मेरे पे लोड बन गया.
We won't do it. Also, in creating quantity, quality is lost. Believe me, I'm a Pudekar, and Pune is called to be the Oxford of the East.
नक्की काहीतरी घडलं आहे. आता घ्या तुम्हीच बघून काय येते. मी जाऊन विश्रांती घेतो.
We are producing a number of poops from colleges, in which only some of those poops will continue to do what they are doing in their college right now and use their degree. The rest of them will get into identity existential crisis in their late 20s and mid 30s. Step 3. Increase the pay for teachers. We won't do it. Because that should be the highly paid field. Teaching.
क्योंकि टीचर्स को पैसे नहीं मिलते, इसलिए वो लोग कोचिंग क्लासेस शुरू करते हैं.
If you pay teachers well, they won't start coaching classes for which students will have a life out of school, which is important for students. Believe me, it is. We won't do it. Step 2. Parents need to know that there are other streams except for CA, IT, engineering, doctor, जिससे भी jobs मिलते हैं और पैसे भी मिलते हैं.
क्यों नहीं समझते इतनी सी बात? हमेशा जरूरत है ऐसे ऐसे मार के समझाने की.
And you know what? Actually no, you don't. Even if your child does become an engineer or a doctor, he's not going to be that great because he didn't want to do it at the first point. If Sachin Tendulkar was doing anything except for being what he was, except for being a batsman, do we have a Sachin Tendulkar then? No, we don't. That's the point. Don't make somebody else do what you want to do because you think it's right.
हमेशा जरूरत है ऐसे ऐसे मार के समझाने की और डू द लास्ट थिंग
That you can do as a parent, you know, literally the last thing. इसके बाद तुम कुछ नहीं कर सकते.
जब तक तुम्हारा बच्चा बचा है तब तक पूछ लो उसको क्या करना है लाइफ में. सिंपल है यार. पर अगर उनको नहीं पता कि उनको क्या करना है तो let them take a year.
Figure out in a year what they want to do. Let them go for different internships, go ahead for different hobbies, join different classes.
Ask me, I have taken a year and I came to know what I want to do exactly in my life. हमेशा जरूरत है ऐसे ऐसे मार के समझाने की.
Step 1. Students. Chill yaar, it's life. You need to be a student and you should have hobbies. And those hobbies should not look like these ones.
बेटा तुम्हारी हॉबीज क्या है?
हाँ मेरी हॉबीज है IIT के एग्जाम की पढ़ाई, कैट के एग्जाम की पढ़ाई, डॉक के एग्जाम की पढ़ाई. मैं सोच रहा हूँ मैं कल से मास्टर्स डिग्री की पढ़ाई शुरू कर दूँ. फिर परसों से डॉक्टर वाली PhD पढ़ाई. नर्सों से मैं रॉकेट साइंस वाली पढ़ाई भी शुरू करूंगा मैम.
यार इतनी बातें करने से जाके पढ़ाई कर लो.
ठीक है.
हमेशा जरूरत है ऐसे ऐसे मार के समझाने की.
The prime focus should be learning and not depressing yourself to die. I don't know what color would suit you, but still. And talking about depression, guys, I know how it feels. Going through depression is like constant feel of worrying about the future. No matter what we do, we feel less of ourselves. But then just because the competition is cutthroat does not mean you cut your throat.
But problem भी तो यही है, हम बच्चों से बचपन ही छीन लिया. Today might be a bad day, but tomorrow it gets better. And if I can get through, I'm pretty sure you are stronger. You can get through, okay? Please share this message, and you never know you are saving somebody in depression.
We won't do it. And if you think Indian education system needs to change, comment down how we can improve.
And tell us how can we make it better. Not just by pinpointing on what's wrong. Come up with solutions, guys. Come on. हमेशा जरूरत है ऐसे ऐसे मार के समझाने की. We need to make a change. अरे लेना, अरे ले.
We won't do it. Ouch.